With the return of new shapes, textures, and experiments with length, 2026 promises bright solutions in the world of haircuts. We will analyze the trends that are already setting the tone for the season and give practical styling tips. Bob in the updated interpretation. The main character of the fashion scene is an angular and smooth bob, as well as options with a slight graduation at the tips. In 2026, a bob can be short to the chin or long to the shoulders, with an emphasis on smooth texture or slightly wavy tips. An important task for stylists is to preserve the natural density and movement, so that the haircut does not look dead after styling. A square with a slight asymmetry. This is a continuation of the square, but with an emphasis on asymmetry, elongated front strands, and smooth transitions. In 2026, volume is often added to the square at the roots to create the effect of a raised structure, as well as texture using the technique of lightly interlacing the edges. Pixies with upgraded geometry. The short pixie haircut remains at the peak of the season, but 2026 brings fashionable geometry. Clear lines, elongated upper strands, and a minimum of layers. It works well on straight and wavy hair, especially when you want to emphasize the character of the face. Shaggy and layering. This is a series of layered haircuts with the effect of layers and ragged ends. In 2026, layers are appropriate for any length from medium to long, as long as they create movement and do not overload the image. Long hair with texture. Long haircuts remain in demand, but in 2026 they will acquire a new texture. Soft waves with a slight carelessness. It is important to preserve the natural shine and movement. Secrets of perfect styling. Thermal protection is the first and main step before any attempt at hair modeling. Choose a spray with a wide range of protection, from 180 to 230 degrees Celsius, which forms a light film and does not weigh down the hair. Enjoy watching it, everyone. See you soon.
Speed it up, you could have had more of me. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna